Concur training, how to submit a same-day out-of-region travel expense report. To begin, log into concursolutions.com. Your username is your HGAC email address. If this will be your first time logging in, your password is welcome. For password reset, email Maravik Keenan or Sean Downey. Your landing page will look similar to this. To begin a new out-of-region expense report, click Request. You should see a list of your requests. If you do not, click View and choose Approve Request from the drop-down menu. Find the request applicable to the expense report you are working on and click Expense to the far right under Action. The new report will open to the report header screen. Please note that all fields marked with red are required. Your report name should follow the format name _ dates of travel _ description. Example, R. Bowden _ 1 through 4, April 2015 _ TARC. Policy will automatically default to the global expense policy. Report date is the date that the report is created, not your travel date. Comments are not required, but this field is great for communicating useful information that may be beneficial during the approval process. Department and fund will populate to your default values, but they can be changed if necessary. Choose applicable project. Project lists are tied to the department. Destination will designate whether the travel is in or out of region. Please remember that different rules apply to each. In this example, we would choose out of region from the list of counties. The box labeled Do Not Use Travel Itinerary should remain unchecked. The Approve request should appear in the middle of the screen. If you do not see the request, click Add. Check the box next to the applicable request in the list and click Add again. Your header screen should look similar to this. Click the Next button at the bottom right corner of the page. The travel allowance pop-up will appear. Please click Cancel at the bottom right. Meal costs for the same day out-of-region travel are reimbursed through payroll. From this screen, you will make your individual expense entries. Same-day travel expense such as mileage, tolls, parking, and rental car fuel are reimbursed through Concur. As you build your report, your specific expenses will be listed on the left side of the screen. As an example, see the rental car fuel expense entry below. To make an entry, choose the expense type from the list and complete the required fields marked with red. Attach your receipt if required, and then click Save in the bottom right of the screen. To reopen an expense, just click on the list on the left. To enter mileage expenses, choose the out-of-region car mileage expense type. Before completing the required fields, click on the mileage calculator hyperlink on the far right. Please note, if you're using a rental vehicle, you can only request fuel reimbursement for the rental, not mileage. Enter the specific addresses of locations visited in the list of waypoints. The start and end waypoints should be the 3555 Timmons office address. The tab key will insert as many waypoints as needed. Concur uses Google Maps, so some of the same functionality is available in the mileage calculator. When all waypoints are entered and the route is calculated, click Add Mileage to Expense in the bottom right corner of the pop-up window. As you can see, many of the required fields populate automatically from the mileage calculator. Fill in any remaining required fields. Click Save and the mileage expense will appear on the list of expenses to be reimbursed. Most other expense types are entered similarly to the fuel expense example above. If you have questions regarding expense entry, please contact Cynthia Marquez or Don DeBolt. Once all expense items have been entered and are listed on the left side of the screen, you are ready to submit the report. Click Submit Report found in the top right of the screen. You will be asked to confirm the submission and attach receipts. Then you will receive this confirmation showing report totals and the manager that will be approving the expense report. If you have any questions regarding processing time or a report that was returned for errors, please contact Cynthia Marquez or Don DeBolt. You will also be able to view comments made and actions taken during processing by opening the report and viewing the audit trail. With the report open, click on Details. Then choose Audit Trail from the drop-down. All activity will be listed in the pop-up. This concludes the How to Submit a Same-Day Out-of-Region Travel Expense Report.